I made a big mistake today, a delicious, painful, unforgettable mistake. My mouth is on fire, my tongue numb and burning. Sweat pours down my face as I sit on a plastic stool in the middle of a bustling market, everyone watching, some laughing knowingly. They've seen this before, another outsider challenging the legendary dish. My heart races, the heat spreading from my mouth to my stomach. I try water. Big mistake, it only makes it worse. The vendor, an old woman with a kind smile, offers sweet milk tea, but I'm determined to finish. Even in agony, I feel alive. Food isn't just fuel, it's an adventure, a story, a connection. Beneath the heat, there's a complex flavor I'm desperate to understand. This is why I travel for moments of pure, unfiltered discovery, no matter how spicy. My name is Mark, and I travel the world for food, always searching for the most authentic, sometimes extreme dishes. Today, I'm in the heart of a city famous for its street food, on a mission to find the spiciest dish, the dragon's breath. Locals point me to a tiny stall in the market's back corner, warning me with a mix of excitement and concern. The dish's reputation is legendary, said to make grown men cry. The vendor, an elderly woman, is known for her secret recipe using the world's hottest chilies. Eating it is a rite of passage for spice lovers here. I navigate the maze of the market, following the scent of grilling meat and spices, until I find her stall. With a grin, she accepts my challenge for the spiciest bowl and a small crowd gathers. My mission is clear. I've found the fire. Now can I handle the heat? Mama Noi, the vendor, moves with practiced speed, ladling a thick, dark red stew into a bowl. The aroma is intoxicating. Garlic, galangal, smoky heat. Then come the chilies, fresh, dried, crushed, chopped, and a final scoop of fiery chili flakes. She finishes with sizzling garlic oil, making the chilies dance. The air is thick with capsaicin. My eyes water just standing nearby. The bowl is a volcano, deep red, vibrant, intimidating. She hands it to me with a knowing smile. The crowd falls silent, waiting. I take a deep breath. The volcano is in my hands, and I'm about to take my first bite. My hand shakes as I scoop up the stew, broth, meat, and those menacing chilies. I pause, then take the plunge. For a moment, it's delicious, smoky, sweet, savory. Then the heat explodes, a lava flow across my tongue. My face flushes, sweat pours, my nose runs. Water only spreads the fire. The crowd erupts, some laughing, others cheering me on. Even in the haze, I feel camaraderie. I've joined their spicy food community. Every bite is a battle, but I'm determined to keep going. This is more than pain. It's a shared experience, a badge of honor. Mama Noi watches with a gentle smile, handing me sweet, milky iced tea. Relief washes over me. The crowd cheers, offering advice. Eat rice, try cucumber. Their encouragement turns my challenge into a celebration. I manage half the bowl, savoring the complex flavors beneath the heat. When I finally stop, the crowd applauds. Mama Noi points to another pot, the Dragon's Inferno, reserved for the bravest. She winks, asking if I'll try it next time. So, should I return and face the Inferno? Let me know in the comments and share your own spicy food stories. I want to hear them.